I'm out here right now in my 05, and I got a brake booster leaking a little bit. I'm gonna find out, where the leak is coming from. What I turn to, super clean degreaser. You get in the spray or the foam, and when you spray it on there, let it set a little bit, wash it off, come clean. It's best to do it on a cool engine or anything you want to degrease. Make sure it's cool, not hot. So let me give you a little shot right here of it, and we're gonna spray this thing down, see what it's gonna do. So it looks like right here, going right there by the master cylinder where the booster is. Right there is where we're going to be spraying, and see how clean it comes. So let's see what we can do with this right fast, okay? Just gonna take it and spray it all where it needs to go to, and see if we can't get this thing pretty clean. I say it's got the your spray, it says the foam. Do it on cool surfaces. And we're gonna let it set a little bit. Probably by the time I get through spraying it, my part I need to set be set long enough. We're gonna check it out. There's other parts of the engine here that need to be degreased as well. All right. This should tell us something right here. All right, we'll let that set for about 3 or 4 minutes, and let's wash this thing off, see what it looks like, okay? It's been 2 or 3 minutes now. Let's take a look at it, see how the foam looks on it, and we'll rinse it off. I think it looks pretty good. Let's check it out right quick. I think it got everything off we needed. I believe I can find my leak now. It all come off. So, when you have a little grease on your engine, whatever, anywhere else, check out Super Clean. It does wonders. I'm gonna do the rest of the engine. I'll throw some pictures up. I'm just gonna use this. I'm not gonna use the foam. I'm just gonna use this. Let's see how it turns out. Okay. Be right back with you. Let me spray this thing on down. Then we'll rinse it off. Get Super Clean for your favorite grease spots to get rid of them.